The drop will be made tonight, 11 p.m. The amount will be $50 million.
$50 million? And who you think you kidnapped, Chelsea Clinton?
Keep him talking.
In US currency, nothing bigger than 50.
All right, cool. $50 million, no problem.
I want 20 million in 50.
20 million in 50.
20 million in 20.
20 million in 20s.
And 10 million in 10.
And 10 million in 10s. You want any fives with that?
What is your name?
What's your name, man? You called us. Why you want to know my name?
I just want to be able to tell the consul who is responsible for his daughter's death because he talked too much.
All right, look, man. All right, hold up. Calm down. I'm trying to hook you up, man. I'm on your side, man.
You will receive instruction for the drop half an hour before it is to be made. If it is successful, the girl will live.
I'm gonna get you the money. I'm gonna make sure you get the money and we can spend it together. You know, when you get it, because I don't even really work for them.